Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from Revolut to bank account. So once you are on Revolut, so go to Revolut and then log into your Revolut account. So once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this payment tab here. So hit on this payments tab and then click on this add option on your top right. Click on the add option. So here what you're going to do, you're going to either, if you want to send it to bank account, you can either send it to a bank account that's already been added, something under, you will see those details under bank accounts, or you can add a new bank account. We click on bank recipient and then add on the details of the bank account that you want to send the money to. So you can do that, or else what you can do, you can simply go back, scroll down and then hit on the bank account that you want to send the transaction to, and then hit on send. And then what you have to do, all you have to do now is simply type in the details of your of the amount that you wish to transfer, and then all you have to do is complete the transaction, and that's it. That's how you're going to send from Revolut to bank account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.